Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the ink cartridges on a Canon PIXMA MX320. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to power the unit on. Then we're going to open up this front door here, and we're going to grab the whole thing here, lift up, and we're just going to wait. The cartridges will come into the middle for us. So when they're available there for you, we're just going to pull them out, open up the door, lift out. That's our black cartridge. When you get your new one, just replace it. Push your holder down. Same thing with the color. Lift up the door. Cartridge comes out. And when you get your new one, put it right back in. Close your holder up. Push your guard back up. Close it on up. And they're going to cycle around, and then you're good to go. Start printing again. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.